Since I saw you, I knew it was you, the story I waited for. Without knowing you were writing it, with the way you looked at me, with your healing hands, and that voice that restores my faith. I never asked to have you here, but my soul chose you, like someone finding the sun after a long gray winter. And though you don't always see me, I've always carried you with me. There's nothing more beautiful than you, no truth deeper than you. You are everything I asked for, but never believed I could have. There's no silence that frightens me if you're on the other side. No fear can break me if you let me walk beside you. I kept this feeling silent, 'cause I know there's a pain that doesn't belong to me, but my love remained. And if today you leave, I want to at least confess my place will always be wherever you are. There's nothing more beautiful than you, no story more alive than you. You are everything I waited for, without even knowing. No star that doesn't carry a sigh of your voice. For since you arrived, I am no longer who I once was. And if I'm not your destiny, let me be your song, the one you hum someday, if your heart ever aches. There's nothing more beautiful than you, no truth that could save me. If you're not here with me, not here with me, but I chose you since I saw